to build WordPress website. To build a WordPress website, you will need to follow these steps. 1. Purchase a domain name and web hosting. First, you need to purchase a domain name and web hosting from a hosting provider. A domain name is the address of your website, example.com, and web hosting is the space where you will store your website's files. 2. Install WordPress. Next, you need to install WordPress on your web hosting account. This can usually be done through the hosting provider's control panel or by using a one-click installation tool like Softaculous. 3. Choose a theme. WordPress has thousands of themes that you can use to change the look and feel of your website. You can choose a theme that is suited to the type of website you are building. 4. Add pages and content. Once you have chosen a theme, you can start adding pages and content to your website. You can create pages for different sections of your website, such as an About page, a Contact page, and a Blog page. You can also add text, images, and other media to your pages. 5. Install plugins. WordPress has a large library of plugins that you can use to add additional features to your website. For example, you can install a plugin to add contact forms, SEO tools, or social media integration to your website. 6. Publish your website. Once you have added all your pages and content, you are ready to publish your website. Simply click the Publish button in WordPress and your website will be live on the internet.